This question was appeared in the Math Olympiad exam. Many students failed to answer this question. Watch carefully. This 2024 turns into something totally unexpected. Our question is 2024 by 1 plus AB plus 2024 by 1 plus BC plus 2024 by 1 plus C plus AC plus 1 is equal to how much? And we have also given that ABC is equal to 1. Now take this part as x. Now x is equal to 2024 by 1 plus AB plus 2024 by 1 plus BC plus 2024 by 1 plus C plus AC plus 1. In the question given that ABC is equal to 1, but we can write it as BC is equal to 1 by A and AC is equal to 1 by B. Now substitute the values in the equation. Then we get as 2024 by 1 plus A plus AB plus 2024 by 1 plus B plus 1 by A plus 2024 by 1 plus C plus 1 by B plus 1. So now take 2024 as common, then we get as 2024 into 1 by 1 plus AB plus 1 by 1 plus B plus 1 by A plus 1 by 1 plus C plus 1 by B plus 1. Now take the LCM in this denominators. Then we get as x is equal to 2024 into 1 by 1 plus AB plus A by A plus AB plus 1 plus B by B plus BC plus 1 plus 1. Take LCM on this too and also write BC as 1 by A. Then we get as 2024 into 1 plus A by 1 plus AB plus B by B plus 1 by A plus 1 into plus 1. Now take LCM on this. Then we get as 2024 into 1 plus A by 1 plus AB plus AB by AB plus 1 plus A into plus 1. Now take LCM on this. Then we get as 2024 into 1 plus AB by 1 plus AB plus 1. 1 plus AB in the numerator and 1 plus AB in the denominator will be cancelled out. Then we get as 2024 plus 1. Then we get our answer as 2025. And that's how a scary looking problem turns into a beautiful answer 2025. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting math problems.